What if I told you that financial crises don't just happen? They're made step by step, like a ticking time bomb. And the scary part? It could be happening right now, and most people don't even notice. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll see how these crises are built piece by piece. Imagine this, you walk into a toy store and everything is on sale. Super cheap. Banks do the same thing, but with money, they lower interest rates, which means people can borrow money easily. Suddenly everyone is buying houses, cars, and starting businesses. It feels like a party. Everyone's happy. But here's the catch. Cheap money makes people take big risks, like playing a game of Jenga and pulling out the blocks too fast. Now think about this. Your friend borrows toys from every kid in the neighborhood but doesn't have enough to pay them back. That's what happens with money during this stage. People borrow too much, companies borrow too much, and even governments borrow too much. This creates something called a bubble. Imagine blowing up a balloon that keeps getting bigger and bigger. Eventually, you know what happens. It pops. Here's the scary part. When the bubble bursts, it's like a domino effect. Imagine your friend dropping all the borrowed toys. Everyone starts panicking. In real life, this means businesses close, people lose their jobs, and banks run out of money. It's chaos. Remember 2008? That's exactly what happened during the housing crisis. People couldn't pay their loans, so the entire system collapsed. When panic sets in, people rush to take their money out of banks. It's like everyone trying to grab the last piece of cake at the same time. There's not enough to go around. Governments step in to fix things by printing more money or bailing out banks. But guess what? That often creates even bigger problems later. It's like trying to patch a sinking boat with duct tape. It won't hold forever. Now, here's the million-dollar question. What can you do? Start by being smart with your money. Save for emergencies, avoid big debts, and invest in things that grow your wealth over time. Think of it like building a strong house before the storm hits. You may not stop the storm, but you'll be safe when it comes. So now you know how financial crises are created, step by step. It's a scary process, but understanding it is the first step to protecting yourself. Do you think another crisis is coming soon? Comment below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. Let's learn and grow together.